Hey, today I'm going to showcase a for loop in Python. Let me get an exact definition on what a for loop is. I also have a video of a while loop. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. So that's either a list, a tuple, a dictionary set, or a string. So that's what we're going to build today. Just something really simple, just so you can see how it's done. So take a look at my handy dandy pie chart. So we're going to start off with a list of numbers. And like I discussed in other videos, hashtag helps you, hashtags the, program won't read it. So we're just gonna put list of numbers so we know what we're doing. And so what list of numbers? Well, let's do it. Numbers. And what are these numbers equal? And we'll put some brackets in there. And we will put a list. 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 4, 11. Look, we got some numbers. And now I think we do have to space them out. Let's go and do that. Wait, yeah, there we go. Space these babies out so we don't get any of those squiggly lines. Normally means something's wrong. All right, so let's put in a variable, and then we'll put in variable. And you know what? We're gonna use it to store the sum. Okay. To store sum. Okay, and our sum is going to start off with 0. One of the other videos I did, like we did a balance for an ATM machine, start off with 500. So basically the same thing, we're just using a different name. So this one's going to be a sum because of what we're using here. When we did the ATM, it was a balance. Check out that video. And so now we're going to write in the for and loop. So put for, just put val in numbers, sum equals sum plus val. Okay, and that's for the value. So, and we're going to print that. Print. And, you know, remember, print is just a statement. It's not asking you a question. That would be an input. The sum is, and remember, put this out, the sum outside of here, because what is the sum? It is an integer. So let's go ahead and make sure we did this right. Oh, you can see what I did from one of my previous videos. Sum is 40. Wow. Yep, that is correct. I do a little quickaroo. I think my example that I have that I did earlier, I used a different number, so I'm a little off, but it's okay. So let's do another for in loop. So let's do, like if we want to print a range, and we want to put a range of 10. Let's say we want to print, see the difference of these. Let's do a print list range. I think I mentioned this before, the reason I like PyCharm, as I move around, you can see where the parentheses are. It helps. Especially how you get more and more complex. And then we can, let's do a different number so you can see the difference. So it's print list range. We use 2 numbers this time. Range, do that again. So it'll be 2 and 8. And so we got all of our parentheses. Okay, so let's run this. Let's see what happens. Okay, run. So, yep. So our range. It's just letting you know it's from 0 to 10, because remember that it always starts off at 0. So when you're making statements, remember Python starts from 0. So if you were to put how many numbers is from 0 to 4. It's going to put 4 because it goes 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 would make it 5. So yeah, just a reminder. So list a range to 10. Like I said, it starts at 0 and it ends at 9 because it's going to enter the number before that. And list a range 2 to 8. So starts at 2, ends at 7. So that is a for loop. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, please leave it in the notes, in the comments. I appreciate them all. So thank you, and we will come back again. Gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen and end the video. It's Nikki Down. Let's talk to you later.